Welcome. If you're looking to block multiple followers from your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the process is straightforward, and today, I'll guide you through each step so you can manage your page followers with ease. Start by opening Facebook in your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with all the pages you manage. Select the page where you want to block followers. Next, click on your page's profile photo to enter the main dashboard of your page. From here, find the menu on the left and scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on it and then select Settings from the expanded options. Within the Settings menu, look for the Blocking section. Click on it and you'll see an option to edit your blocked list. Go ahead and click Edit to access the blocking features. Now you'll see an option called Add Followers to Blocked List. Click on this and a search bar will appear. Type in the name of the follower you want to block. Once you find them, click on their name, then select Block. A confirmation window will pop up. Confirm your choice to officially block that follower from your page. To block more followers, simply repeat these steps. Search for the next follower, click on their name, hit block, and confirm. There's no limit to how many followers you can block, so take your time and manage your page as needed. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily block multiple followers from your Facebook page using your PC, all within the latest Facebook interface. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.